The International System of Units is abbreviated SI. The SI system of units is a globally adopted system of units of measurement. It's been adopted by all the nations of the world except Burma, Liberia, and the United States. It's based on the meter, kilogram, second metric system. It's the standard used in college physics courses. The SI system uses prefixes to multiply base units by powers of 10. Let's take a quick look at powers of 10. 10 raised to the third power equals 10 times itself 3 times. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 equals 1,000. So 10 to the third equals 1,000, which is the same as taking 1 and moving the decimal point to the right 3 places. 10 to the sixth, we take a 1 and move the decimal point to the right 6 places. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the sixth equals 1,000,000. 10 to the negative 3 is the same as dividing by 10 to the third. So changing the sign of the exponent is the same as dividing by the number. So for 10 to the minus 3, we take a 1 and we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the minus third equals 1,000th, or 0.001. 10 to the negative sixth, we take a 1 and move the decimal point 6 places to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the minus 6 is 1,000,000th, or 0.000001. Now the prefix for 10 to the third is the kilo, which is abbreviated with a K. Let's take a look at the units of length, which are meters and are abbreviated with an M. So small km is a kilometer. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, or 10 to the third meters. The prefix for 1,000,000 is omega, and omega is abbreviated with a capital M. So 1 megameter equals 1,000,000 meters, or 10 to the sixth meters. 10 to the minus third has 10 to the minus 3 has a prefix of millis, which is abbreviated with a small m. So 1 millimeter equals 0.001 meters, or 10 to the minus 3 meters. The prefix for 10 to the minus 6th is the micro, and the abbreviation for micro is the Greek letter mu. So 1 micrometer equals 0.000 0.001 meters, or 1/millionth of a meter, or 10 to the minus 6th meter. Now let's take a look at unit conversion. I want to use two conversion rates. 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometers, and 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Now, if we're told that an object has a speed of 1 kilometer per minute, how do we determine its speed in miles per hour? So we multiply by the conversion rates. The first one, I'll divide 1 mile by 1.61 kilometers, and 60 minutes divided by 1 hour. Okay, since these are equivalent, 1 mile and 1.61 kilometers, and 60 minutes and 1 hour, this is the same as multiplying 1 kilometer per minute times 1 times 1. It'll give us a new value that'll have the same speed, but we'll be using different units. So now we have minutes in the numerator and in the denominator, and we can cancel them out. We have kilometers in the numerator and in the denominator, and we can cancel them out. And when we multiply across the top in the numerator, we get 60 miles. And when we divide across the denominator on the bottom, we get 1.61 hours. Now, if we plug that in our calculator, 60 divided by 1.61, we get 37.3 miles per hour. So our final answer is 37.3 miles per hour. In future videos, we'll see many more SI units, powers of 10, and unit conversions.